Cabot Technology Solutions is a premium healthcare software development firm specialized in delivering custom applications that are secure, scalable, and having great user experience. With over 100 plus technologists located in the US, Canada, and India, and having executed over 500 plus projects over the last 15 years, we are poised to be the perfect partner for your digital transformation needs.
It was in early 2010 when Shubhu and I were talking about the technology landscape and in India. So we had this idea of great technology meeting great minds, and that's how Cabot was born.
At Cabot, we help our clients achieve their digital transformation journey through 4 major steps. The first is discovery. During this process, we understand the customer's requirements by having several meetings with them, researching various solutions, creating wireframes, and writing user stories. This creates an in-depth understanding of what the business requirement is. The next is a design process in which our design team creates UI/UX designs of the application, and this will act as a proof of concept. And then we go into the development phase in which we use agile best practices to develop the product. We use various tools like Azure DevOps to manage the development process. After development and testing, we go into the delivery mode where we actively support the customer on an ongoing basis.
Seemingly overnight, the COVID-19 pandemic has rapidly changed the course of healthcare's future.
Transitioning from a IT shop to a healthcare product development company was not so easy.
Healthcare organizations in the United States are subject to HIPAA, which has significant impact on the product design, usability, implementation, and data.
We were able to get some hands-on with HIPAA, and internally we did an audit, and then we became a security compliant. We became ISO 27001 compliant. We were able to land a small engagement with a fairly large enterprise level client in the healthcare space in the US.
User experience design in healthcare domain is very challenging. That is where we are specialized.
We did get a project. So that project was an integration of multiple healthcare platforms. We had a team that worked on that project. So we saw an opportunity to really establish in healthcare.
The first thing springs into the mind when thinking about the healthcare product design is rules and regulations.
So one of the things that we really was focused on is to establish the ecosystem. And centers of excellence was the way forward that we did select. We are very sure that we will be able to maintain this momentum going forward into future projects as well.
Cabot's transformation story is its own growth journey with new partners and new competencies. With its new office service offering in Canada and the Stanford Seed Transformation Program for Positive Business Impact, Cabot is fast-paced in the journey for innovation to the core, keeping the values intact.
I wanted a partner that I could really rely on that had the experience, and you guys fit the bill, and you guys did a fantastic job on developing Altrude.
A firm like Cabot, you guys can do it more efficiently and more effectively. It really works for us.
Absolutely, do that. Recommend Cabot. And great people, great technology.
Cabot has a very good collaborative work culture.
Cabot provided me a mentor who helps me to build my abilities.
Everyone is really friendly and really approachable.
Another thing is openness and accessibility.
Being empathetic to different stakeholders, we make sure that we work for a purpose, and that's what makes me happy.
I think we are very well positioned to capture a sizable US healthcare market in the near future. We have a very ambitious growth plan and expansion in our offices in India as well as internationally.
With its razor-sharp, focused vision in healthcare, Cabot is moving fast-paced in its digital transformation journey. Cabot, great technology meets great people.